Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة صبغة الله ومن أحسن من الله صبغة ونحن له عابدون. Translation: Our color is from Allah, and whose color is better than Allah, and we are His worshippers. Hazrat Ibn Abbas Raziallahu ta'ala anhu narrated that Christians had a way, and what was it? That they used to give their children a bath with a specific water when the child is 7 days old. And that specific colored water, it was called ma'mudi, and the intent of this bath is to purify and clean the child. And since they did not do circumcision on the children at that time, that bath was instead of the circumcision. And they would say that after this bath, the child is pure and clean, and the child is 100% Christian after that. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala corrected this false belief and sent this ayah, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said that the correct color is the color that Allah gave to His worshippers. And what is that color? The color of Iman from inside, and from outside, the color of good deeds. And this combination is the correct mark or correct color. And who can give the correct mark other than the creator? So Allah is the creator, so He has given the correct mark and correct color to the worshippers of Allah, meaning to the Muslims, so that the Muslims should also declare that Allah has given us the belief and Iman in our hearts, and Allah has made us steadfast on the good deeds, and this is our color, and we will stay with that color, and we can never leave this color, and we can never leave the Tawheed or oneness of God, and we will never associate anyone with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In the end of this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَنَحْنُ لَهُ عَابِدُونَ, and we are His worshippers, and we are Allah's abd, or Allah's slaves. And we have seen this concept before, that the relationship between the master and the slave is a very unique relationship. The master can order whatever he wants to order, whenever he wants to order, wherever he wants to order, and whatsoever the order might be, the slave would always agree to the order of his master. And if we can establish the same relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that we accept and obey all of His orders, we will be the most lucky person on the face of this earth. And above all, if Allah accept us as His slave, and He consider us as His slave, that would be the highest status any human being can achieve. And this is the reason Allah created us. Allah said in Surah Zariyat, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ, that we have not created the jinns and the humans but for my worshipping. So this is the reason of our creation, that we worship Allah, we become His slave. Oh Allah, give us true understanding of Quran, and make us clean from inside from all the impurities like shirk and all falsehood and all the bad things, and make us clean from outside as well. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.